caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia, and today we're talking about how to help your loved one remember the name of common household items. As your loved one progresses through mild to moderate dementia, you will notice that they forget certain things they've known their whole lives, like the names of people in their immediate family, the names of good friends, or sometimes the names of appliances or pieces of furniture. And it may just be occasional in the beginning, but it can cause some frustration, and that frustration can lead to stress. And if we want to slow your loved one's progression, we want to eliminate as much stress as possible. So we have a really great solution to help your loved one always know the name of the items that are in their home. And that's very simple. Go to your local office supply store or order online some removable labels. They won't damage any of your items. You can take a Sharpie and write very big what the name of the item is, and this way your loved one will always know. And it's good for two things. One, it keeps reinforcing the name of an item. Two, it will help them when they do forget, because they'll look at the item and they'll know the label is there. So you can label the refrigerator, you can label bedroom doors, you can label almost anything in the house. For more ideas, solutions, and tips, visit athomewithdementia.com. Don't forget to watch the next video. And of course, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.